This is Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic. Today I want to show you what it's like to adjust a child. Many people don't know that chiropractic care can be beneficial for children, and some people are actually in fear of that. So this is my daughter Savannah. She's been adjusted since her birth, and she actually loves getting adjusted. And we check her on a regular basis to make sure her body's functioning and healing at its absolute best capacity, not for pain or symptoms, but really just on a preventative health basis. So I'm going to show you what it's like to assess a child and some things you can look for in your own children to know if chiropractic could benefit them, and you can see how safe and easy it is. Okay, Savannah, just go ahead and lay straight down. Good girl. So we check their feet because we want to make sure they're even. Now if you see that one foot is shorter or longer than the other like that, that means there's actually neurological tension in the spinal cord. Now in her case, because she gets adjusted quite often, her feet are balanced. So we bring those up and they stay balanced. That's a good thing. Then you want to also go in and feel for any tension in the back or spine. If you feel one side is higher than the other, or you feel muscles are tight, or your child cringes in any area that you touch, that's an abnormal muscle spasm or tension indicating that there may be a misalignment in the spine affecting the nervous system. So we'll go through and check all those areas for her. And just go through and look for movement in every segment.
Oh, my eyes.
Good girl. Go through here. And she's actually okay through here. One area right here, so all we would do is just a real light adjustment. Perfect. Okay, go ahead and turn on your back, Savannah. Lie on your back.
Oh, my eyes.
Turn over, lie on your back. Ready? Just like that. So now we go through and check the feet again and see if they're balanced. Now again, if one leg is shorter than the other, that means there's neurological tension at the upper part of the neck, which can really affect things like sleep, focus, attention, sinuses, can lead to issues like allergies, ear infections, irritability. When we look at her, she's balanced there, good. And we'll go through. And also you want to take a look and look at your child's posture. If you see that their head is tilted to one direction or turned more than the other, you look at your family pictures and he or she's always tilted off to the side, or you notice they can't maybe turn their head to one side all the way. You want to look at that there too. So we'll go through and do an assessment here. Good, make sure she has full motion. Good, here. And then right here, just a very light adjustment. All right, you like that, huh, Savannah? Okay, all done. Great job. Give me a high five. Yeah. All right. Power's on. Can you say power's on?
Power's on.
All right. Thanks for joining us.